So I just kind of wondered. I was like, that's so strange. Like, she is Summer Wells' a Sabbath teacher. She's Summer's best friend. And she's the adult. Robin Lane is handing out flyers. And since like July, she's been crossing off the red truck saying, no, they're not looking for it no more. But TBI is looking for it. And yet we have this gentleman West that is related to Robin that had a red truck like that. Now Robin's got a red truck. Why is Robin lying? Instead of Robin Lane, I feel like it's like Robin lying. When somebody is lying, they're obscuring the truth. And that needs to be revealed. So we're going to start off with, why is Robin Lane lying about the red truck? Why is Robin Lane lying about the red? There is definitely a story. I wasn't expecting that. Yeah, they're all on the table, except for one or two in the deck. All right, let's understand what is going on. Why is Robin Lane lying about the red truck? Okay, so we have the creator. Think of that as source, God, the higher power. You could also think of that as somebody creating something. Adventure. That's a child walking away. And we've got those footprints off in those fields. We have comparison, strong versus not so strong. Fast versus quick. Green versus brown. We have this comparison. And then we have the thunderbolt. What with the possibilities and source, the creator, double tapped. Oh, I have goosebumps. So it looks to me like there's a child on an adventure where somebody's not paying attention. They're busy comparing something when they create a thunderbolt accident, which results in all these possibilities. And they are the source of this. That's heavy. Now, I don't know who would be driving the truck, but did they hit the child? Was the child struck, and maybe not by that vehicle, but by another? Or was the child struck by, look at all the red on the board. Red. I have red all over this. Red, red, red. A little bit of red here. We have this adventure on this child, and this is definitely a child. And this other person is doing a comparison. I want to understand more. I'm going to go with the Moonology deck. I have no idea why. That's just what I'm guided to do. So Robin is lying about this vehicle because of this child that went on an adventure and being struck by a thunderbolt or power, which could be seen as engine power. It's throwing someone with a lot of might. They're the creator of that and brought in for a comparison. And the possibilities that this is source final decision. Okay. Did Robin happen to drive the truck over there or something? Why is Robin lying about the red truck? A time to give rather than take. New moon in Virgo. She was giving something. New moon, something hidden, not seen. She gave something. Why did she cross the red truck off the flyer? Why did she cross the red truck off the flyer? Thank you. What do you need to release? She needed it to be released. Waning moon. Fiery climax, think of fire. Red. full moon in Aries, climax, fiery climax approaches. Robin has something to let go of. There is a secret she needs to let go of, and it's going to be a very strong reveal. And Virgo energy pulls her energy back, and she needs to be given the truth. There is definitely hiding. There is definitely suspicion. I am so suspicious right now, for sure. That thunderbolt and the placement, we'll understand more as we go through this. We're going to work our way up right here. So what we're going to do is we're going to find out what is going on in the minds of everyone. What is everybody feeling? And then we get into why are they feeling that? What happened physically in the past that created this? So what happened to Summer and this red truck and Robin? Why are they connected? And then we go here, which is what the future holds. So as I walk my way around the board, you'll understand way more what the source and possibilities is. So let's go ahead. We're going to take the Chakra Wisdom Tarot. We're going to shuffle out the energy. One here, and I'll take one here. We're going to put these over here for at the end so that we can understand more in depth the reading as we go forward. Okay, we'll do that at the very end. All right, let's get going. Let's understand the adventure in illumination. Wow. Three of Wands, making plans but feeling stuck. Trying to manifest clearly communication of some form. Trying to manifest through communication. Feeling stuck because of communication. Manifesting this. So this child was on a walk. We got footprints in fields. Somebody said on a TBI call she was seen on the road or something. And then I have a card with a child out on an adventure. So somebody was feeling stuck. They were trying to manifest something. What happened between all of that adventure and now we're going to Thunderbolt? What took place? Three of Cups. Somebody was mixing energies, celebrating, having a grand old time, distracted. You have a 3 and a 3 with a 1 in the middle. 313. 313, distracted. Let me understand what physically. I get the Thunderbolt. I get that. What is this emotional turmoil that Robin has with this red truck and the flyer? An offer, an attachment to it physically. An offer that was given using the truck. It was an offer. What was this offer? Trust. 2 of Wands. It stuck her. Whatever this offer was, it stuck her in a bad place. It put her in, she can't move any direction. She's at a stalemate almost. She's trying to make a decision what to do and doesn't know what to go with this. Virgo energy on the board. Why is it in a stuck position? About a kid. It's definitely about the child of the past. 6 of Cups. Tug of war. Back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. A stalemate energy. Same as that 2 of Wands, as that 5 of Wands. It's both of it is this. One is trying to make a decision, but you're stuck. The other one is tug of war with someone else, or in inner conflict about holding back. About holding back this secret. Yes, Queen of Cups. Gemini, Cancer. Very much how I see Robin. So she definitely knows something. She's really struggling and feeling stuck because of an offer with this vehicle due to this horrible catastrophe, this collision of whatever this is. It was the trauma. This is what happened. Wow. Fiery climaxes, reach and resolution. What does this comparison mean? Is she alive? Is she dead? Is she all right? Is she hurt? I don't know. Were those some of the questions? What is this comparison? Oh, thank you. We'll take it. So we definitely have, I see this in this case, really no wish fulfillment on the board, but we have a wish. Whether it was granted or not, I'm not sure. This is putting your wishes out there for your 10th cup. Putting your wish out there. And that's what Robin did. And that's the fiery climax is approaching. It's real. It's tangible. It's happy life. It's happy home. It's happy wife. It's the picket fence. 2 dogs and a cat and a gerbil and a goldfish in a bowl. It's everything. Emotional and physical abundance. With wish fulfillment. And we have someone winning at all costs. They'll do whatever it takes to win. And they've caused a transformation. Some people could see it as a death of the way things were and a new beginning. Let's understand this experience. What physically happened to Summer? Thank you. 5 of Pentacles. Feeling left out in the cold. Hierophant, church commitment. With the 4 of Wands. The 1111. Justice. Somebody wanted to turn the lack into a positive. Show me the source and possibilities. Cleansing. Well, that's interesting. We have clarity with the Ace of Swords. It's sorry, not sorry, but it's the truth. It's in the House of Pisces. I have the healing of hearts that were being broken. That's the 3 of Swords in reverse. Whoops, sorry. I have the Knight of Swords in reverse. This hidden white horse. And right here in the Scorpionic energy, it's your 8th house. It's about mysteries, what's bonded deeply. I've got this protection, the Strength card. Healing someone from the devil. Getting them away from the devil. And divine protection. Princess of Wands. An abundant princess. Someone that gets a new beginning in their home because someone made plans someone knew right when the moment was right. I have the Queen of Cups. I'll let you be the judge of this reading. I'm not going to draw conclusions. I'm not going to tell you my take. It gives me hope. I will say that. Let me understand with some blessings on this comparison, please. And thank you. Then and now. Thank you. It's about the cave, the sanctuary, the home. Full moon, completion. Tsunami wake-up call. So you could see something's completing a cycle. We're going to hear about something that is going to be like a media tsunami. It will breach very soon about the thunderbolt, like lightning hits. And it is all about the bigger plan. Follow your instinct and what you feel. Thank you guys for your time. I really do appreciate you guys sharing your energy with me every night. And I'm sorry about last night. I just didn't feel good. And then a family member called and they needed immediate help and I had to go. And so I'm back on track. I thank all of you for being so wonderfully supportive to me. I really do. You're my 1111 family and you guys mean the world to me. You truly do. If you would kindly, if you enjoyed this, if you would kindly tap that like, that would be great. I love you guys to the moon and back. God bless you all.